This guy is patching his dog. A ball and a... Oof. Nah, that's the fun I want to have. Go, 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 go. It's gonna go, gonna catch it, gonna catch it, gonna... Oh, yes, he did.
There's one part of the day that is everyone's favorite, like all across the board around the world, and that's afternoons. And also, afternoon is when people spend their time with their families, play in the park. One of the things that afternoon is known for is wonderful sunset. And it's like beautiful saturated sunset. And I'm here in Silang, and there's this like sunset that comes and goes every now and then. And I want to show you guys. I don't think I ever made a vlog about that sunset, so this vlog here is about me looking for that sunset, so it might take a while. Just by looking at how the sun is setting today, it will be a very nice orangey sunset. I've been hunting for this sunset for like the whole week, trying to do a video about sunset, but I couldn't even find one. And I think today we're gonna have the greatest sunset ever, like very orangey sunset. So 2 days ago I was flying the drone trying to get the best sunset, but I couldn't. Not the sunset that I want, so I'm back here again trying to see if I can get the footage that I want. Anyway, there's no sunset today. It's all just gradient, sun rays gradient, like from orange, blue, teal to orange. There's like on the backdrop in front of me, let me just turn the camera around. There's like shades of sunset there. And the sunset is behind me, and you can see it's 6 o'clock now, and there's no orange sunset, so we'll try this again tomorrow. It has been raining and the place is really foggy, and it actually rains heavy during the day, and now it's around 5:30 and it's still cloudy. Someone calling my name. Even yesterday I was in Kalamba, so traveling back in the afternoon there was like sunset, but probably it's just the same as before. So I still haven't got that sunset that I want to show you guys. So yeah, this is day number 3, I think, of searching for, well, actually it's day 6 now, of searching for the perfect sunset, the green orange sunset. It is 6:30 in the afternoon now, and just by looking behind me, still no sunset, so we'll try again tomorrow. It's around 1 p.m. now, and I don't think there'll be any sunset today. The weather, there's dark clouds around me, so probably today is no go. Anyway, today's sunset, it's kind of weird. It's yellow. not the sunset that I was looking for. So yeah, today again failed. Almost there. I think few days time they're gonna be a better sunset. But the sunset that I'm trying to take not here at the field, but at the barangay area. Almost there. Today marks the 6 weeks of me hunting for sunset. It's so weird. Anyway, it's like the perfect golden hour here. I'm out here walking. It's September 10, and I think I might miss the gap for sunset. So I'm trying to walk back now and see if I can go and take the sunset. Probably it's today the best sunset that I was talking about. But you can see from that side. Yeah, that's the sunset. Yeah, that's the only sunset that I got. That's why I'm still carrying this umbrella. I thought it's gonna rain. So I was, it's just from that side. So yeah, I was saying to that sunset. But yeah, this is like not the day for sunset hunting. But anyway. Another no sunset day. Getting better, but it's not the one that I was talking about. So at least it gives good sign that with either Friday or next week or even this month I'm gonna show you guys, or I'm gonna take that perfect sunset, that not perfect but that sunset I always talk about. So fingers crossed this month of October. Yes, ma'am. Oh my God, this is the sunset I was talking about. I can't believe 6-7 months and I finally saw you guys this sunset I was bragging about for like 7 weeks or something. Oh, it is beautiful. Let me just turn the camera around. There you go. It is bloody beautiful. Bloody, this is what I'm talking about when about the sunset. Is oh man, I wish I had the drone. My battery is low. There you go. The sunset. 6-7 weeks just to grab this piece of artwork from God himself. Oh Jesus. I'm gonna put this on time lapse. But yeah, that's the sunset behind me. This is the sunset. This is the sunset I'm talking about. You can see my face is all orange. It's from the sunset behind me. So I'm gonna take this and put it on time lapse. Yes. Just change location. That's the place where I always want to take the time lapse. So I took the time lapse. I'll just move to Atesilas. There's like a huge gully, so you can actually see more of it, like B-roll stuff. So anyway, this is like the sunset that I was always talking about. After 7 or 8 weeks, I finally got the sunset and show you guys the sunset. Orange.